Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back in Stanley Park for my daily Anfield Road Expansion update. So I'm going to take a look over the pitch because we're getting close to this second lift now, so I'm going to concentrate more on that today. I will have a look around the outside after I've done that, but yeah, this is going to be a short one just to see where we're up to, just in case I need to come back and do more recording, that's all. Okay, let's get over and have a look. So the yellow crane's moved over there, so let me get up the cop and have a look. Get a good look at it then. So yesterday I was a bit worried, wasn't I? But other people had been over and recorded after me, so it showed that the crane was on the move. And now it's in place. No booms look as though they are called booms, aren't they? Am I right? I'm just going by what people say. People say a word and I look at something and think, yeah, that looks like what that's meant to be. So if someone says a boom, I think, yeah, that looks like a boom. I could be wrong. Right. Them booms look as though they're in place to lift. Okay, can I get any lower? Right, I'm looking at myself on the screen. Right, let me zoom in there and have a look. No, they're not connected, are they? Is it connected? It's not, is it? But they grip under the stand, don't they? Right, let me zoom right out. I can get higher actually and move around, just so I know I'm clear of everything. Oh, and that big crane's in place as well. Okay. Right, okay, we've got some excitement going on here. Well, for me anyway. Right, definitely not connected to that, because they go under that stand so they can lift it up. Okay, that's that one there. And you can't see this one now because it's moved across, but I'm going to have a look at the big outside crane, because that looks though it's let me get above it and over. Let me angle. Let me have a look down here. Right, I'm looking at a small screen here with a lot of glare. No, there's not. Okay, I can see the end of it now. There's nothing connected to that yet. Okay, but we're close to a lift here. I don't think it's going to be today. I'll be brutally honest with you. So make sure I'm not missing anything else. I'll have a look around the pitch. Keep me in sight of the drone. That'll do me that height. What's all this here? Seats. Oh, get a seat. There's my number on there. Let's have a look. Like a game of bingo, isn't it? Just throw your hand in and grab a seat. Ah, how can I get a seat? I'm going to ask if I can have one. Because if they're getting bins, I'm going to absolutely fume. Have a look on that skip. No, that's just Scrap metal and a skip. Sorry, I'm just having a look around here now. So, don't know where them seats have come from, you see. Another thing I noticed on, I think it was John the Stadium's, yeah. Okay, so let me have a look at this a sec. I noticed it's so dull. So there's a cherry picker there, but you couldn't quite see what was going on. But there's a guy. I can't get low enough to see what he's doing there. So something's going on under the stand there. Yeah, I see he's on the move. So yesterday there was a guy on the steps spraying water under where the cherry picker was, so I assume they were cutting. Because that's what they done with the main stand. Sorry, it's been scratching my face. Probably come across on the camera. The microphone even. Yes, so when they were doing the main stands, they were spraying water over the cover when the sparks were coming down, so I assumed that they were cutting under the Kenny stands yesterday at some point. So they're coming down from doing something, what, I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine, so let me know what you think. So let's have a look what they're doing on the roof here. The cladding's going on in it, okay. Let me get over and look down at them. Yeah, so it is white cladding. It is on the plans as well, I've had a look. Absolute balls of steel, these fellas. Yeah, then the reason why probably makes sense of sun glare, probably. But what one person did say was, well, these are angled, why are these see-through on the main stand one? I haven't got an answer for it. Just make sure I haven't missed anything else on the pitch. I'm going to zoom in and have a look around. If I've missed anything, let me know.
Flying this drone, are you?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
We're going to make a tractor.
You're sorry?
The drone is going onto site.
It's not?
It is, we've just seen it on site. I've got pictures of it on site.
It's not me then, mate. It isn't my drone, sorry. Yeah, I'm 100 metres in the air, mate.
Yes, yeah, but it's up in the air, but it's on site.
Truly, you can't fly as low as the polycart booth. You were below.
I'm not, mate. I'm not. I'm not.
I'm up there in the blue lid.
No, that's not me. No, it's not me. Sorry, no.
Show me
I've got it.
Yeah, look. No, look. It's not me.
So what colour's your drone?
Black.
So who's got the white
Who's got the white one?
Yeah.
I've seen it, no, to be honest, I've seen the white one and the black in fact.
Okay, it's not me.
I've got, right, so if you, 5 minutes ago, was this not you up on the polycarb with a black drone? Because I've got a photo of the white one as well, but that's your drone.
No, I'm not that low, mate. I'm not that low. I don't fly low. It's not me.
I know there's a couple, I'm not being angry at figure or anything,
okay.
But there's a couple of you flying. You KC, you're Mr. Drone on KC.
I'm KC, mate.
Right, so there's you, Mr. Drone, and that other fella, Paul Frost.
Paul Frost.
You need to stop coming as close to the roof, right, babe? We're doing rope access, right? No, listen, just to all of you, it's not just directed at you.
Okay, right, okay, just get me recorded anyway, so I can send it to the lads.
Yeah, I know, look, it's not directed at you, but you're awfully close to the lads on the roof. We're abseilers, we're on rope.
Yeah, look.
Like, you're distracting the lads and stuff.
I know, I'll pass the mission, but let me show you what I do.
It's just, I'm only worried about health and safety, do you know what I mean? I've got lads up there on the roof.
Just calm down a sec, right? I've got Mr. Drone messaging me now, okay? Right, 1 second.
Mate, he's coming right close to us while we're on ropes, bro.
Mate, it's alright, don't worry about it. No, look, I go under meters in the air, and I've got a really good zoom.
Yeah, it's not his one.
No, I appreciate it's not yours.
It's one of the other boys, because the other boys,
do you know what I mean?
Be careful.
we're in a WhatsApp group. I'll put it in a WhatsApp
Yeah,
group for you,
don't
okay?
mind,
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
not trying to come across
No,
the cause any
no,
anger
mate,
towards
it's
you.
fine.
We got
Yeah.
a crane lift today as well.
Just calm down.
No, no,
we're willing to work.
we're on one that
No,
just trying to get
mate, we're willing to work with you. Honest God, we've got so much good footage, and you've left us alone for the whole thing.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean?
But the thing, what we don't do is introduce a no-fly
It's just
zone.
the last couple. It's
yeah.
just the last couple of days when stuff's starting to get sent in and stuff. It's not really about that, but it's just how close it's now getting.
So what height? What height are you happy with? Oh,
just kind of up and out of sight. I'm not asking about being filmed, mate. It's just more the lads can see it.
Above the main stands.
Yeah, just like sort of up and out of sight. Like you've got a good enough zoom. Just
underneath. This is actually underneath.
No, mate.
It's level
no,
with
look,
crane jib and stuff.
Right, I'll let you know now. There's quite a few knobheads doing this, and they're posting it onto YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. There's one called.
If you're in the WhatsApp group, just
He's
look how low they're going.
That's off now. That's bad, mate. I wouldn't do that. And the other two wouldn't do that. I know that for a fact. For the simple reason is, well, can I charge drones?
Yeah.
I'm not that stupid. Mine's a £2.5 grand drone.
A couple of new lads up there that are that sort of like starting to find the feet with the work and stuff.
Yeah.
Don't want to have them distracted while they're starting to connect.
No, it's fine, mate. Yeah. Look, I stand out in the open. I don't hide anywhere. I will, but I guarantee it's not them either. I reckon there's another knobhead somewhere.
We'll have a look now. Yeah.
Okay.
What's going to happen is they're cladding the sheet.
Yeah.
And it's just coming right down.
Ah, no,
it's getting to the point where we can literally grab it and take it.
If we walked
throw something at it, and take it out then. Throw something and take it out. Seriously.
It's just for health and safety.
Yeah, no, mate, I get it. I'll pass on to do too, but I guarantee it won't be them too.
Because I'm protecting my lads for health and safety reasons.
No, because we liaise every day about this, about where we're going to fly, the height we're going to fly at. And like I say, I'll be between 100 and 120 metres, which is mile,
which is fine, but what is it?
It'll be a dot. It'll be a dot to you.
So close that is. That's underneath.
So where's the drone on there?
That white drone is literally, it was about 10 metres above the fence line there on the site.
No, that's not one of us. That mate definitely.
It's the first time I've seen the white.
Yeah, you'll see my footage on YouTube tonight. I don't go anywhere near that. Yeah,
they're well good. They're well good.
Yeah.
It's the black one. Who's the black one?
So
the black one's mine's black.
But I don't know, to be honest, I don't know if it's just the light. It could be the white one, that mate. But obviously the cameras don't pick them up that well, do they?
That's a mini. Mine's not a mini.
That might be the same as that white
one. That's probably the same drone, mate, yeah.
But just the light one.
Because the front of it, the camera's black and the front of it's black on the minis.
In the group, just the lads, just be careful. Cause
I will do, mate, I will do, yeah.
I've got lads on the roof going, what the hell is this coming so close to us?
No, mate, it's fine. Look, we're willing to work with you. Because the last thing we want to do is get stopped flying. Because we want to cast a second lift.
None of us want to have accidents.
No.
Exactly. I know you wouldn't.
Even in my early days, I've said I won't fly too close because I don't want to distract the workers and this and that, you know.
But no, the footage is amazing.
As I try and cover myself. Nice one, mate. Nice one.
Quality, but
nice one, mate. Cheers.
Yeah, just to
right, hello everyone. I'm back. So, someone's flying a drone really close to the lads on site, and you know what? If you're doing it, you're an absolute dickhead. These lads are working at height here. I fly miles away from them because I've got a zoom, okay? If you want to get close-up images, you can do it in post-processing. Don't fly so close to the lads on site. It's dangerous. Absolutely stupid. Right, I'm going to post some of what they've said to me, but I won't post all of what they've said to me. I'm going to cut bits out. But their concerns, I'm going to post their concerns on this as well. So, you're an absolute idiot if it's you. It's a Maverick Mini Cree by the looks of it, by the photos you just shown me, and you're literally. So let me show you where that's flying. You're flying below this thing here, which is absolutely ridiculous. Don't do it. One of them lads falls and kills themselves, you're in for a lot of trouble. Right guys, I'm going to end this here now. I'm going to come back. I've just been given some information. Let me get back round. Let me have a look at these lads here. Right, I'm going to come back. I'm going to end it here, guys. It's... Yeah, I'm a bit annoyed now by them think it was me. Them think it was me. I'm not annoyed that they think it's me. I'm just annoyed that someone's doing it, and you're going to ruin it for us all. Don't be such an idiot. Dying to swear, you know, but I'm not. Absolute morons.